Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you new Flux lock screen for your any Galaxy device. And no matter N series, S series or F series, guys, this Flux lock screen work on any Galaxy device. And this is absolutely free. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store and download this lock screen on your Galaxy device. This app direct Play Store link available on description. Simply click and download. Guys, before open, simply go to setting, disable your system lock screen. Look at this, simply disable your system lock screen and disable your system AOD. Look at this, I disable my system lock screen and AOD. Now open this app. After open, simply set some permissions. Tap on next, tap on add shortcut, tap on add, and guys, look at this, simply enable this lock screen. And guys, look at this new Flux lock screen enable on your Galaxy device. Look at this Flux AOD. Look at this now bar. Guys, look at this many beautiful different lock screens available on this app. Motion magic walls, magic motion wall, live aesthetic clock. Simply tap on see more and look at this many beautiful preset Flux themes available on this app. Simply tap and download and apply. Tap on apply, but before apply, look at this downside, all customization options. You also customize clock font, colors and animation. After customize, simply tap on apply. Now go back, tap on in use and this new Flux lock screen enable on your Galaxy device. Look at this is really awesome, right? Let me show you another lock screen. Look at this. Now go back. Look at this depth effect wallpapers. This is normal lock screen with depth effect. Motion magic walls. Look at this. This is motion wallpapers. This is magic motion walls. These wallpapers motion with sensor. Look at this. Simply tap on apply, go back and simply apply from lock screen. Tap on use this and look at this. Now look at this magic tilt wallpapers also available on this app. Simply select any one, apply, simply tap on use this look at these tilt wallpapers. This is complete Oxygen OS 16 and Origin OS 6 stock Magic Motion wallpapers on this app. Now, guys, if you want to enable, look at this, simply go to live aesthetic clock, and guys, you also set your custom videos on your Flux lock screen. Look at this, simply tap on upload image and simply select videos from gallery. Look at this, I select video from gallery, simply tap on apply, tap on use this, and look at this, I set custom video on my Flux lock screen. Guys, if you go to setting, you also set pattern lock or pin lock, and also set AOD brightness. So this is really amazing lock screen for your any Galaxy device. Guys, no matter M series, S series or F series, this lock screen work on your any Galaxy device. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, hit like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.